see how he does on his first time here. First time welding. Uh-oh. Look at him go. Well, he's striking hard. That's a good thing. Might be a natural. Put the weld on the angle down there. You gotta tie it into that angle. You're doing good, but you gotta tie it into the angle there. You gotta tie both pieces. Look at him, he's striking hard now. It's gonna be a natural. Look at him go. Damn. Do a little rotating here. There we go. Get the whole view. Look at him welding on a John Deere. Huh? All right. Hey. You ain't tying it into the angle there now. You just weld up there on the other side of it. You gotta make sure you tie both of them in. You not see that crack in there? Put your hood on, son. Let's go. You leave that hat on, you won't get your head burned up. That's why you wear that. Or a welding cap. You'll learn. You got your head burnt yet?
Yeah.
Alright, wear that. Look, loosen it up. Make sure the band right underneath your hat right here. There you go. Tighten it up. There you go. See what you got, babe. I know one thing. You damn sure striking hard. Hell, that grown men can't even strike an arc like that. Just get the tie-in. He's got it, baby. A little more training. Be #1 welder. Oh yeah, looks good. Yeah. All right, baby. Give me a thumbs up. Good job.